Welcome to Pagojitvi. Topic of this video. 1. What is a chatbot? 2. Key characteristics of a chatbot. 3. Types of chatbots. A chatbot is a computer program or artificial intelligence system designed to simulate human conversation with users through text, voice, or other forms of communication. Chatbots are often used as virtual assistants or customer service representatives to interact with people and provide information, answer questions, perform tasks, or assist with various activities. Here are some key characteristics and uses of chatbots. One. Text-based communication. Chatbots primarily communicate with users through text-based messaging platforms, such as messaging apps, websites, or even SMS. Two. Natural language processing, NLP. Chatbots use NLP technology to understand and interpret user input, enabling them to respond in a conversational and human-like manner. Three. Automation. Chatbots are designed to automate tasks or processes that would otherwise require human intervention. Three. This includes answering frequently asked questions, scheduling appointments, providing recommendations, and more. Four. 24/7 availability. Chatbots can operate around the clock, offering support and assistance to users at any time, which is particularly useful for customer service applications. Five. Personalization. Advanced chatbots can use user data and preferences to personalize their responses and recommendations, creating a more tailored user experience. 6. Multi-platform. Chatbots can be integrated into various platforms and channels, including websites, mobile apps, social media, and messaging apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Slack. 7. Applications. Chatbots have a wide range of applications, including customer support, e-commerce, healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. 8. AI and machine learning. Some chatbots are powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, enabling them to learn and improve their responses over time based on user interactions and feedback. Types of chatbots. One. Rule-based chatbots. These chatbots operate based on a predefined set of rules and responses. 1. They are typically less flexible and can only handle specific tasks or questions. 2. AI-powered chatbots. These chatbots use machine learning algorithms and NLP to understand and generate responses. 2. They can handle a wider range of queries and adapt to user inputs. 3. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa are sophisticated chatbots that can perform tasks beyond text-based communication, such as setting reminders, controlling smart devices, and providing information. 4. Customer service chatbots. Many businesses use chatbots to handle customer inquiries and support requests, offering quick and efficient assistance to customers. 5. Transactional chatbots. These chatbots are used for completing transactions, such as making reservations, processing orders, or booking tickets. Chatbots have become increasingly popular in recent years due to advancements in AI and NLP technology. They offer businesses a cost-effective way to enhance customer service, streamline processes, and provide 24/7 support. Additionally, chatbots can improve user engagement and satisfaction when designed and implemented effectively. Please like this video if you like the content. Share this video with your near and dear ones. Let me know your comments in the comments section. Check out our other videos in this channel. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to my channel at Pagojaya TV. Thank you.